Hello, we're out here on Callander Bay. We're ice fishing with the chuck box. It's about -10 today. Not much of a wind chill, which is nice, not very windy. Unlike the other day I went out, it was like -20, -25 with the wind chill. It was very windy. So today's a nice peaceful day. Been here for about an hour and a half now, just fishing. Didn't have any issues pulling it out. Chuck box is finally in use. I got a few things to button up and I'll do an update video, walk around once I have everything done. But for now, you know, kind of too excited to start using it, so I just started using it. Show you inside. Here with Echo and my wife. Got nice 2 holes in here, nice and toasty, warm. The diesel heater's running good. So we're out here ice fishing. No fish yet, but it's not prime time yet.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right, eh, Echo? Let's get to fishing. I have my wife here, Jessica, and Echo. Hey, Echo. Echo. Hi. We're out on Callander Bay, Lake Nipissing, and then I just used some buckets to make some sleeves. We've been here for an hour and 43 minutes. Life is good. No fish yet, but they're coming. I feel it. Obviously you can see some updates on the trailer, and I'll make a little walk around video once I get some time. Big things coming. But we're here, we're using the chuck box. It's about, I think, -10 degrees today. We're nice and toasty in here, 20 degrees in here. Dog's happy, wife's happy. Got a nice little view today. Other ice huts on the lake. My 2 tip-ups up there. So yeah, cool. And this is what it's all about. Just nice relaxing evening with the dog and the wife. Here fishing, having a great time. Nice and toasty. Yeah?
Yes, it's very toasty.
Nice and warm. The dog is comfortable, sleeping. Yeah. All right, let's catch some fish. What a beautiful day. Well, chuck box worked perfectly as planned. A little snowy. Got to get my fenders done. But yeah, thanks for watching. Had lots of fun. And I hope to make some more videos of this thing in action. Cheers.